Hey guys, Cyber back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna compare the Huawei P8 Lite and the Lenovo P70. And both the phones are budget phones of 2015. This costs around 200 US dollars, while this costs around 210 US dollars. Uh, uh, Talking in Pakistani rupees, this costs around 21,000, and this costs around 20,000 PKR. So, this both the phones are from Chinese manufacturers. Lenovo is more known for its computers and laptops, and Huawei is the third largest smartphone manufacturer. Let's start the comparison. Coming first off is design. Both the phones are made out of plastic, but there are quite a few differences in both the phones. The design of Lenovo P70 is very simple. There is nothing too special in it, except this 2.5D display, which isn't as good as the displays of, for example, iPhone 6s or the Samsung Galaxy S7, but it is obviously better than no, I can say that it is better than a flat display. Obviously that comes down to preference. And the Huawei P8 Lite has this shiny plastic sides. They are made of plastic, but they tried their best to give it a metal look. There is a type of texture on the back of the Huawei P8 Lite. The glass on top is obviously a thing better than what we get on Lenovo. So yeah, design comes down to preference, so I won't be talking long about it. Coming to the displays, both have a 5-inch IPS LCD screen. The Lenovo P70 has a 1080p display, while the Huawei P8 Lite has a 720p display. The Lenovo P70 has 441 ppi pixel density, while the Huawei P8 Lite has 294 ppi pixel density. The Lenovo P70 feels better in daylight as compared to the Huawei P8 Lite. So, next off is performance. The Huawei P8 Lite has high silicon Kirin 620 octa-core processor clocked at 1.2 GHz, while the Lenovo P70 comes with a MediaTek processor clocked at 1.7 GHz. This is octa-core as well. I have uploaded a speed test video of both the phones if you want to check them out, but obviously the Lenovo P70 was faster in opening apps and better at multitasking, but that doesn't mean that it is a better performer. Even if it can load applications, even if the Lenovo P70 can load applications faster, the Huawei P8 Lite runs those applications a lot more smoother than the Lenovo P70. The Huawei P8 Lite can run pretty much all the games, all the high-end games as well, except I had no problem in any of the games I have downloaded up till now, except the FIFA 16. As you can see, I have a lot of games on my Huawei P8 Lite. Around 30 to 35 games. I have around 30 to 35 games on my Huawei P8 Lite, and yet it doesn't slow down at all. Both the phones won't show you any lag whatsoever, but the Huawei P8 Lite can run better games. The Lenovo P70 couldn't even run GTA Vice City smoothly. It failed to even open the app, while the Huawei P8 Lite runs the GTA San Andreas and the GTA Vice City, both of them at high settings, max settings, pretty much smoothly, very smooth. There wasn't any lag or frame drop or anything on the Huawei P8 Lite. If you want to check them out, I'll drop down the link in description. So next off will be battery. The Lenovo P70 comes with a 4000 mAh battery, while the Huawei P8 Lite comes with a 2200 mAh battery. This gives around a screen on time of around 4.5 hours, according to my usage, which was medium to high, and this gives around 6 to 7 hours of screen on time. So the Lenovo P70 is obviously ahead of the Huawei P8 Lite if we talk about battery. Next off will be speakers. The Huawei P8 Lite has better speakers as compared to the Lenovo P70. Both have the speakers at the bottom, but the Huawei P8 Lite sounds a lot more clearer and a lot more louder than the Lenovo P70. So the speakers are better on the Huawei P8 Lite. So next off will be cameras. Both the phones come with a 13 megapixel camera on the back and a 5 megapixel front camera. The Huawei P8 Lite has an aperture size of f2.2 on its rear camera and f2.2 as well on its front camera, while the Lenovo P70 has an aperture size of f2.2 on its rear camera and f2.4 on its front facing camera. The Huawei P8 Lite has dual tone LED flashlight, while the Lenovo P70 has single LED flash. But the difference on paper might seem very minimal, but according to my usage, the Huawei P8 Lite is way better than the Lenovo P70 when we talk about pictures. The overall result of the Huawei P8 Lite is better. The camera user interface is better on the Huawei P8 Lite. The cameras, I'm talking about the stock camera app. Both the phones can record up to 1080p display, 1080p videos. But on the Lenovo P70, I couldn't find the option of changing the video resolution. There was an option of video quality, which stated low, medium, high and fine. And how am I supposed to know that? What does it mean? As you can see, it has an option of video quality, but we cannot change the video resolution. And even if we can, we really don't know which one is 1080p or which one is 720p or which one is 480p or etc. Pictures and selfies are a lot more better on the Huawei P8 Lite. There is a bit of noise on the pictures we take on Lenovo P70, and the colors are more saturated in a beautiful way on the Huawei P8 Lite. The colors are really beautiful on the Huawei P8 Lite. The selfies on the Huawei P8 Lite are great. If you want to check out the camera performance of the Huawei P8 Lite, you can go over to my channel and check out the Huawei P8 Lite 1 year plus review. I have uploaded some pictures in it as well. I will link that video down in the description as well. So yeah, next off is the UI. Both the phones have Chinese UI. I am using a launcher on the Lenovo P70, and I'm using no launchers at all on the Huawei P8 Lite. Well, that's because this EMUI is way better than the UI on Lenovo. There is no app drawer on both the phones, but obviously we can install the app drawer from Google Play Store. UI is a bit better and mature on the Huawei P8 Lite, while the UI sucks on the Lenovo P70. You really won't not enjoy the experience on Lenovo P70. The Huawei P8 Lite is way ahead in terms of UI. The Huawei P8 Lite comes with Android 5.0 Lollipop out of the box, while the Lenovo P70 comes with Android 4.4 KitKat out of the box. We can upgrade the Huawei P8 Lite to Android 6.0 Marshmallow, and the Lenovo P70 is also upgradable to Android 5.1 Lollipop, but there is no Marshmallow upgrade for the Lenovo P70. And coming to further more differences, the Huawei P8 Lite supports NFC, while the Lenovo P70 doesn't have NFC. The overall performance is way better on the Huawei P8 Lite. you loved your experience with Huawei P8 Lite, but I cannot guarantee you that you will enjoy your experience with the Lenovo P70. So, coming to more differences, I cannot remember much, but yeah, that's pretty much of it, guys. So, coming to the conclusion, if you are a high-end user, if you do a lot of gaming, you take a lot of pictures, you use social media apps a lot, and you really do a lot with your phone. You want to play high-end games smoothly for a long times. So if you are that type of a user, a high-end user, you should go with the Huawei P8 Lite. And if you are a normal person and you are looking for just a phone for calling and messaging, and you do not care about performance at all, you do not care about a good camera, you do not care about anything, just battery. If you want a good battery and nothing else better as compared to the Huawei P8 Lite, then you should go with the Lenovo P70. So yeah, that's pretty much of it, guys. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel for further more daily tech videos. If you want to follow me on social media, head over to the about section of my channel. Peace out.